Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to do a wood block puzzle. First, understand that your main goal is to clear the board by forming complete lines or 3x3 squares. You'll encounter various block shapes, such as L shapes, T shapes, and straight lines. Learning to recognize these quickly is key. Always plan your initial moves carefully to create ample space for subsequent blocks, ensuring you don't box yourself in too early. When placing blocks, prioritize moves that clear multiple lines or a 3x3 square at once for maximum efficiency. It's crucial to keep the central area of your board as open as possible, as this provides flexibility for accommodating larger, more challenging block shapes. Try to avoid creating isolated single block gaps, as these can become very difficult to fill later on, hindering your progress and potential score. To elevate your game, actively look for opportunities to set up impressive chain reactions, which can significantly boost your score. If your puzzle offers a holding area, strategically use it for one block, saving it for a perfect future placement. Developing the skill to visualize several moves ahead is invaluable. It allows you to anticipate board changes and plan your strategy more effectively, leading to better outcomes. You'll earn bonus points for clearing multiple lines or squares in a single, decisive move, so always aim for those big clears. The ultimate goal is to achieve a high score by consistently clearing blocks and maintaining an open, adaptable board throughout the game. Remember, regular practice is the most effective way to improve your pattern recognition and sharpen your strategic thinking, leading to true mastery of the wood block puzzle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.